Colleagues who lead with red energy bring a wonderful dynamic energy to the team. What gives them a wonderful day at work is when they can deliver results, take action, and solve a challenge. That's when they drive home at the end of the day and it's like, do you know what? I had a fabulous, fabulous day at work. So the behaviours that you tend to see with people who lead with red, they're very direct. They shoot from the hip. They tell you as it is. There's no flannel in terms of what they want to say. They're bold. If we're sitting there going, we could deliver 10, they're going, no, we could deliver 12. If we're sitting here going, we could deliver by Friday, they're going, no, we can deliver by Wednesday. They take every target and just push it 10%. They're really firm, and out of the four colours, they're probably the most boundaried, and they're really clear about what's okay and what's not okay, and they will tell you. If you want to influence them, tell them how your idea is going to deliver and what results. So, what's the time saving? How's it going to increase profit margin? What's the increased turnover that you will achieve? What is the efficiency on the production line? It is the results that interest them first, and then you can provide the detail from there. They're very strong-willed. A no to them is just the first line in a conversation, and it's like, let's just come back and talk about it a bit further. When they've got a belief, they absolutely want to achieve it. Brilliant at maintaining New Year's resolutions, will commit to something, and you have 100% confidence that they will deliver. They're fast-paced, so these are the people that will overtake you in the corridor. These are the people that have got 350 words in a minute. These are the people on a Saturday morning in the IKEA lift who will press the button that little bit harder than everybody else because they're in a rush and things need to move on. Very, very comfortable making decisions. They tend to be very decisive. They're sitting there going, look, if I get more decisions right than I get wrong, I'm ahead of the game. If the decision is wrong further down the line, that's fine. We will just change direction. They don't worry about making mistakes in the way that other colours preferences may do. And finally, they're very determined. Once they've got an idea in their head, they are single-minded and focused in terms of how they can deliver it. So fiery red energy is bringing that wonderful, dynamic, can-do energy into the team and really helps the team deliver on their commitments.